Hello, in this video we'll see another way to have a Google website in more than one languages using the same domain and the same Google website file. This is basically done using exploiting, in quotes, a feature that allows you to hide pages from the navigation. And together with that, we'll be using the button feature, which allows you to add a link to a page, to an internal page, to a document, as you can see, and so on. Well, now, I've already done most of the work here, but it's easy to see what I've done so far. Basically, I've got this one section called, it has Ezik and language, so Bulgarian and English. Now, you could use different text for this item, but it's up to you if you like this approach. Now, if you remember, a section is not clickable. A section has these two windows as an icon, and it's not clickable. It's just used to organize elements from the navigation menu. So basically, here I've added two pages, one for English and one for Bulgarian, and they are like the landing pages for the language. And then for the proper navigation menu, I've used buttons. Now, another approach would be to use subpages. But I don't know if this would be aesthetically better for you. This is how it would look like. Maybe the menu will become quite lengthy at some point. So let's say we choose the approach with the buttons. Now it may look a bit outdated having buttons for navigation menu, but it's up to you really. If you're just using if your website does well with that, if it's fine for you, then you could use this. And of course, the buttons, you can resize them, make them smaller, larger, and so on. Well, let's see then. What the other really important part you need to make this work is, well, let me just see. I need to, that was a mistake, I'm sorry. It seems like I need to hide the page because we can see it here. Oh, I have to hide the English section, yes. Just as I hid the Bulgarian section here. I just use them to organize pages here. Well, so next step is really to create the pages that you need to create for your website, hide them from the navigation menu using the three-dot menu. So they appear in this way, but I hide them from navigation this way. And then basically you just link these pages to the buttons. Let's see. Yep, page about, update. Let me write something in the about page so we know we are there. Okay, we've got some content. And let's test it then. Let's go home. Preview. Language. English. Okay, we've got the buttons. About us. Here we are. Now we are missing the menus here in the about page. That's simple to fix. Once you have the proper navigation with the buttons in one page, on one page, in this case English, you just copy the whole section. Control C, Control V, and of course above the content. Same here. Control V, Control V. And all the rest is just repeating the same settings for the links and making sure the pages are hidden from the navigation bar up here. We are basically using this navigation bar just to pick a language, and the proper navigation menu is down here. Now it probably looks better if you use a title only header. It's up to you. If you choose a nice font, maybe that will work for you. Let's see how the English version looks like. Let's choose title only here. So let's see what else you can do. Okay, you can format the text basically. And this is it. This is it. I hope this really helps you in some way. Buttons can be formatted as well, different ways. They can be left just as plain text. This probably looks fancier, especially if you format the text here. Although I don't see how, but there must be a way to choose fonts and so on for the text in the button. And yep. Perhaps you can even use some icons for navigation if you add them and then link them to pages. Let's see if we add a capsule group. I'm just experimenting now. If you can nest navigation into, no. Okay, this was just an experiment. Or you can add links, which is okay. So this can, who knows if this doesn't, this could work as well, you know. Let's see. You really have this flexibility if you want to. Oops, no divider. Let me just add another element. What was it? Oops, no, I'm just randomly clicking now, unfortunately. I think I got a bit lost. So I'll leave it here, guys and girls. Thank you. Thank you. I hope this helps. I'm no expert. Just thought of another way. You could have your bilingual website with Google Sites just in one file in your Google Drive and one domain. Take care. Bye.